In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and customize the startup sound on Windows 11. First, let's start by opening the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button on your taskbar and choosing Settings, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This will bring up the main Settings window, where you can control how your computer looks, sounds, and behaves. Next, we need to go to the Personalization section. On the left side of the Settings window, look for Personalization and click on it. This area is where you control things like your background, colors, themes, and sounds. Once you're in Personalization, find and select Themes. Themes are collections of settings that include your wallpaper, accent colors, mouse cursor, and also sounds. Inside the Themes page, scroll down until you see a section called Sounds or something similar. There should be a button or link that says Sounds. Click that, and Windows will open the Classic Sound Settings window. This is where you can adjust all of your system sounds, including the startup sound. In the Sound window, go to the tab labeled Sounds if it's not already selected. You'll see a large list of program events, which are all the different things Windows can make sounds for, like notifications, warnings, and more. We're interested in the option related to starting Windows. Look through the list and find the item that refers to Windows starting. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. Now, with the startup event selected, look towards the bottom of the window. You'll see a section where you can choose a sound. Click the Browse button to open File Explorer. Here, navigate to the sound file you want to use. Keep in mind that Windows expects a WAV file for system sounds, so make sure the audio you want is in that format. Select your desired audio file and click Open. Back in the Sound window, you can click Test to preview how the new startup sound will play. If you're happy with it, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. From now on, whenever your computer starts, you'll hear your customized startup sound, giving your Windows 11 experience a more personal touch.